Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to quickly sharpen a can opener. As you can see, on the cutting side we have this serrated wheel. This is what drags the sharpener forward. And then here we have the cutting wheel. This is pretty much the same on every can opener with this style. This blade is only beveled on one side, on the outside, on the back side it isn't. So what that means is we are only going to sharpen it from the outside, which makes sharpening a lot easier. What you're gonna need is a flat sharpening stone. I'm using my DMT diamond stones here. You can also use a Lansky stone or a piece of sandpaper on a stick. To get going, just wet your sharpening stone and then hold it securely in your hand and start sharpening. We are looking to follow the angle that is already ground into the can opener. So just follow this bevel and you will see the metal getting shinier where you take material away, and if your angle is correct, just continue. Sharpen your can opener until you can feel a burr on the backside of the particular spot where you sharpened. If you can, you know you're done, and you can just rotate the handle to forward the blade or just do it by hand. Now that we are done with the front side, it is time, to take off the burr that is formed on the backside. This is a little bit more difficult. I would suggest, pushing it together so the wheel doesn't really spin on its own while you sharpen. You can also hold the lever with another finger to stabilize it. And then just go over it. Like, the angle actually doesn't matter, it's just a can opener. This is not a razor blade. Just turn it while you sharpen it, take off the little burr, and then you are done. And that was already it. It's not a tool that you need to use very often, but once in a time it gets handy, and why buy a new one if you can get an old one back up and running. That was it for this video. I hope you liked it and you learned something. If you did, then consider subscribing and giving the video a like, and then I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.